felt trapped by the initial size of your Photoshop canvas? Today, I'll show you how to break free and resize your canvas in Photoshop, giving you complete creative control. First, navigate to the image menu at the top of your screen. In the drop-down, find and click on Canvas Size. A new window will pop up. This is where the magic happens. You'll see fields for width and height. These display your current canvas dimensions. Simply enter your desired new width in either pixels, inches, centimeters, or points, whichever works best for your project. Now, do the same for the height field. Remember, increasing these numbers will add space around your existing image. The anchor grid is important. It determines where the new space will be added around your image. The default is usually the center, meaning the space will be added evenly around all sides. But if you want to add space to only one side, like the top left corner, click that square. The new space will appear there. Once you are happy with your new dimensions and anchor selection, click OK. And there you have it. Your canvas is now resized, giving you extra space to work with. Now go forth and create.